Welcome to Coach Chrispect's Crash Course Amazon Selling Hustle, becoming an Amazon professional seller. Firstly, I would like to thank you for joining this course. I have 3 goals for my students who take this course. Goal number 1, to help you win, because profits that can be made right now selling on Amazon are staggering. Goal number 2, help you take action. Taking action is the key ingredient, because most people fail to take action. They fail to start. I've spent hundreds of hours teaching this to dozens of students. I've created multiple paint by number systems, all with checklists and templates to make selling on Amazon easy for anyone to begin. Goal number 3, support you. Support is essential, not just from me, from others as well. Maybe they're on the same journey as you. Maybe they're done their journey. Support in finding a product, verifying the risk, sourcing products, launching the products, monetizing them. A high percentage of students I've coached are earning anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 a month. I've had students report profits as high as $1,000 in a day from one product. Every day I'm contacted by dozens of people wanting my help because my students are getting great results. Why did I create this course? Due to the high demand for my time. I couldn't keep up with the coaching demand and work with everyone one-on-one. I decided to put a course out that benefits exactly you as if you were working with me one-on-one. Now I can focus my time on helping students find products, maximizing maybe their sourcing, listing their product, marketing strategies, all that sort of stuff. In this course, I include 9 modules plus a bonus 10th module and a recommended resource center. Module number 2, arbitrage, buying and selling. In this phase, I demonstrate how you can start a business right away with lower capital startup costs, how to reinvest and repeat. In arbitrage, buying and selling, I demonstrate 2 types of arbitrage: retail arbitrage, also known as clearance arbitrage, and book and personal library arbitrage. And later in the private label section, we'll talk a little bit more about arbitrage and online arbitrage options that you can do as well. Module 3, product researching and evaluating. Module 4, sourcing and negotiating. Module 5, branding and outsourcing. Module 6, listing and optimizing. Module 7, monetizing and marketing. Module 8, managing and automating. Module 9, we review the steps so you can visualize them and take action. In Module 10, it's a bonus module, fast track action plan and checklist to get you started right away. Also included is our resource center. There will be links and websites for tools you'll need along the way. Thank you, and I will see you guys in the next Amazon Selling Hustle video.